Welcome, Dr. Bhavdeep and Rajiv sir. Over to you, Anisa.
Oh,
Hi.
my God. Hello, everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
What a pleasure to see everyone. What a pleasure to see everyone. I think, sir, what do I say? I think let sir talk. Let Rajiv Verma sir talk. He's been rocking it. We all know. He's been doing some amazing relationship building. And I mean, I have learned maximum about leadership and mentoring from this challenge. And I mean, I can't express into words about the way I'm feeling. And I mean, I think this is probably the best thing that happened in the past 3 months or probably this whole year. So yeah, I have no words, and it's been quite a journey, and I can't be more grateful, and I have no words. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually ask each of the mentors to share their takeaways from this challenge. That's all I want to hear.
Over to sir.
Wow, I enjoyed. Thank you, Anisa. So my take home. So this 10-day challenge, 3 episodes, made my wife or madam realize that this could be converted into a proper program and may not be only for dentists. Many of say 60% of the program could be used on also for general public in I
Yes.
just have to sit and convert it little bit. And I was little more happy yesterday because somebody posted on our bounce back group, sir, you should attempt like Shiv Khera.
Yep.
So I don't mind actually. And that was nice. And it was fun. It was fun reading everybody's posts. And I read everything almost. I read what everybody has posted for Bhavdeep. I read everybody posted for Manish and Anisa, everybody's. I've all been following because Vella baitha hu, I'm retired, so I have time in hand. So.
20.
And I just loved it. So thank you, Anisa, once more for this wonderful opportunity to me also for exploring. I got an opportunity to explore myself, and it was really helpful. And for the participants, I don't know whether they are happy or not. I know only one thing: you better be happy with all what you have got in these 10 days. Trust me.
Anissa, I want to just add. I've said it in social media before. 2015, when DBM launched, there were 150 dentists in the room. Sir came for the first morning session, did the same Life After BDS program. I was watching it for the first time, and obviously it was a laugh riot. But the biggest memory is the audience was so primed by 1 o'clock that whatever I would have said or not said, they were signing up for my program because the vision, I think all this, whatever sir has taught about mission, vision, strategy, mastery, goals, etc. I think that 4 hour session just hammers it massively. Correct me if I'm wrong, but people get into that whole mindset and zone. And I think I'm always grateful. I've said this publicly as well. What he did for me in 4 hours, and I have built something which is my lifetime memory as DBM. And thank you, sir, for that. Thank you very much.
Yes. So to the participants, I think all of us have poured our heart out. I am sure about it. So you please take benefit of it. And if you don't take benefit of it, I have to call you stupid, not us. Okay? And Manish, one difference between that 4.5 hour laughter show and what we did in this bounce back program, what I felt is the after listening to that 4.5 hours laughter show, there is a massive impact on the audience. I agree, but only in a crowd of 150. After a year, 2 years, or 5 years, I see only one or two walking on that path.
Yeah.
Not more than that. Okay, this 10-day challenge, what I'm feeling, a gut feeling I have is
Yeah.
not all 62 will be able to do it, which will be
Yeah.
like a Superman activity literally. I'll have to keep bowing 62, bowing down 62 times, in life to every time as you guys. But I'm expecting at least a dozen or more to walk on the path. Definitely, definitely. So the percentage has increased a lot. I'm sure about it, and that's what exactly Madam said. That this time the response. I mean, there will be more people who will show their mastery in the next 5 years. And
Yeah.
if you take this on a course platform, the percentage could probably get even better, because now you are spending 2 full days with them,
Yeah.
so chances are there the percentage will be even better. So let me think, I'll work on it.
I think the
So thank you once
implementation
and for all. Thank you everybody.
was the
Thank you
key.
to all
Yeah.
62. Thank you to all 62. 62, right, Anisa?
63, sir. 63 and 4 of
63.
us. So
Okay.
yeah. Yes, sir.
63 and
Yes,
4
sir.
of us. So 67 of us. Yes, thank you so much. You guys
Sir, it's a
actually have
pleasure.
changed my life in these 10 days. I
Oh
can
my
say
God.
that. Okay?
Oh my God,
I
that's
can
so
say
humble.
that.
Sir, you have changed so many lives, and I have no words. And one thing that I would want to tell you is that sentence you said कि मैं सिर्फ उसी पे गुस्सा होता हूँ जिसको मैं बहुत चाहता हूँ. So there was a time when Sir was a little, there was a little tiff, and he said that, you know what, I'm not doing this. With whatever happened with that Zoom thing, and after that, it was all fine. So yeah, it was. I mean, it was an experience, and but after the way you mentored, I mean, I was totally, I told Shoaib, oh my God, like you should just see the way Rajiv Verma sir is mentoring, and I have learned like how to connect with the audience and with my participants from the way he's connecting, and probably that's my biggest takeaway from at least your part. And some things which I learned from Dr. Bhavdeep and all, I will share that. But yeah, I mean, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. And of course, Manish sir, my crazy idea was first given to sir, and he was the one who said, "मैं करूँगा, तो बाकी लोग से बात कर." So I can't tell you how, how much you guys have supported me, and I'm being the most junior person over here. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much.
You are not junior. Manish just told his age. He is 28 years old. Ask Astha if you want.
डाय विकत घेतलाय नवीन मी. So anyways.
God. Yes, Bhavdeep.
Indeed, sir, this has been one great experience. As you said, life is a learning curve. And I always believe we are always on the road. And once we reach one destination, that is not an achievement of the final destination or the final goal. It is about setting newer goals at that destination. And yes, in these 10 days, I have also pondered over the, say, scope of the online platform as regards my dream and vision that I have after my dad's death last year. So yes, I am looking at it as a broader vision. But yes, you three were connected in one way or the other since DBM 1, 2 or whatever version. I don't know when Dr. Nisa did it. But yes, you were connected since many years. How did I fit into the picture? Only Dr. Nisa can answer. I never asked her that. She said, will you be able to do that? I flatly said yes. So it was only the thing that I was a little skeptical that people might find my aspects boring. But when she said you have to take 3 topics of finance, I said I'll take the first one on practice management because that is my forte as well, along with the other things, because I like to weave a story. So I had that project in my mind that what I'm going to do in these say 10 days. But yes, when I saw the gap of 1 and 8th as too long, and then the huge exercises lined up for 8th and 9th, so I thought that there should be a bridge, something in between, and no better day than Guru Purnima in between, falling on a Sunday. I had an idea of that before. I was not sure because of the Chandragrahan. It was the dual date was written either the 4th or the 5th. So I said, let me wait till the last. The Panditji will come with the exact date later on. So when they came up that it is the 5th, so that is the time I shot up with the thing that yes, I'll be taking a surprise session. But yes, it has been a experience. I always thought that people won't take action on finance thing, but I was shocked, really shocked at so many people attempting it very honestly, very say lucidly, and in a very detailed format. And people in my hands-on workshop also never do it. With me standing on the top of their head, they don't do it as they have done it just via an online coaching of 1 or 2 hours. So that was really say well to be appreciative of the fact. I must mention Dr. Santosh Kumari. At 6 a.m. she started in the morning. Until 10, she had sent me at least 15 attempts. And that was the kind of commitment I was looking at. Yes, there were many others. There were people who didn't sleep in the night, Dr. Radha, Dr. Varghese, Dr. Bhavna. They didn't sleep before sending me by 2 o'clock. So they were again. But what I want to see is that, as you mentioned, Dr. Nisa, at the start, that very few people, we were skeptical, very few people usually take action. And I agree with I believe more than a dozen would take action in this group of 62, and that roughly makes being a finance person, my version will go to the percentages. It is about 20% of that, and it is a huge figure if we look at that way. So thank you so much for according to this opportunity, and you have to spill the beans how I felt.
No, so there is no secret. So I've been following you, and as you had mentioned that Shoaib is a part of your WhatsApp group, and that's the first time I heard about you when he said that there's this Dr. Bhavdeep, and he's amazing with finance. And although I'm a completely right brain person, I really don't understand numbers, but Shoaib was pretty impressed. And then I was also a part of that underdog group where you were doing this upskill lab and stuff. And so I mean, honestly, I really don't understand finance much, but then in few parts in this entire lockdown, I had seen your content, and I mean, I knew it that this guy is amazing at finance. I just knew it. Like, so it was like finance is equal to Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja, and I knew it. And knowing Manish sir, I knew that out of the 4 modules, sorry for this, but he really rocks at selling and communication. And I knew that like for communication and selling, I want to get none other than my mentor, Dr. Manish, and that's how this combination came. And then when I heard about Rajiv Verma sir on WDA, and the way he made me laugh, like I used to listen to his lectures while making food, because 4-hour lectures it's not possible to sit and do, but it used to be like hilarious. And some of the things which he has said, even when when I attended the DBM course with him, so I thought like this would be the best combination. And I had run a lot of challenges before, so I knew that this concept of a challenge, I knew it is a successful model. And but then what really rocked it was like the combination of the mentors. And I think my previous challengers will agree that this was completely different. I mean, as compared to the previous challenges, and I completely owe it to the mentors, my mentors, and of course you, Bhavdeep sir. So yeah, I mean, I have no words, and the kind of energy and love which is there, it's amazing. And so I just would like to say that whenever you get these crazy thoughts in your life, you should act upon it. So when I got this crazy thought, I was like, Shoaib told me, कि कोई नहीं आएगा, don't do this. And in fact, Rajiv Verma sir had said कि don't expect more than 10 participants. And Manish sir said कि 25 के ऊपर कोई नहीं आएगा. And then first week, very few registrations. And Shoaib told me, this show is flop. तेरा show, तेरी movie flop है. That's what he said. And then I said, wait, picture अभी खत्म नहीं हुई है मेरे दोस्त, रुक जा. And then I went and messaged all my challengers, and the rest is history. And I'm really grateful that so many people came in, and especially special thanks to the DBM tribe, because I mean, a lot of them are here, okay, and some of them are only here because they love me and Manish sir and Rajiv Verma sir. I know that for a fact. So,
Anisa,
thank you guys, and I don't know, no words. Thank you.
I was going to mention this thing about 10, 25 and things at a certain point. And there is one learning lesson, guys, as you're listening this, if you're still here or watching this recorded. As Rajiv sir said, dream and basically go for it. Anisa came with this thought, and there was so much happening already on the webinar world. Maine bola, are you sure? Because there is lots happening. I'm obviously there. I will volunteer. Rajiv sir ka dekh le, kyunki he's so busy. He's going to give 10 days. Are you sure? Sir se पूछ ले कि हो रहा है क्या? अगर sir हाँ बोल रहे तो सब लोग करते हैं. And then obviously Bhavdeep was coming in. And one thing which I realized, Anisa, and I want to appreciate it publicly here is, there is a determination. When you have dreams and you are determined to actually deliver, then things happen. And there will always be, as Rajiv sir said, at a certain point, you are walking on a path, there will be a left and a right or a straight, whatever it is. There will be a roadblock somewhere, but you'll find a loop for going to right and then taking a left again and still going to that final end bit. What people do is sometimes they get a challenge or a naysayer or a negative, and they just stop because that's the person they trust, that they stop. They don't believe in themselves. What Anisa did at this stage is, in the nicest of words, she used the middle finger to everyone and said, I'm going to do it, and I believe in it, and this will be a master stroke. And I hats off to you, because the amount of energy, I was saying to Shilpa, मैं पागल हो गया हूँ कि इतने नोटिफिकेशन आ रहे हैं, इतने लोग बात कर रहे हैं. Rajiv Verma sir, 3 hours 51 minutes. I couldn't believe that session. कि मैं अंदर आया था, and then I didn't realize कि it went for 4 hours. So, kind of thing. But that's the passion, that's the flow, because when the sir goes on and people know कि एक बार ये घुस गए तो घुस गए, you are just in there basically. It's living the moment, and I think that living the moment was very well proved by so many candidates and all of us. So thank you for arranging this, Anisa. Thanks a lot.
It's completely my pleasure, and it completely goes out to all of you people who made it possible. So yeah, it's been one of a kind feeling. I think one of the best feelings in the world. Thank you, guys.
Yes, thank you all.